The Roman calendar famously uses specific reference days of the month to identify the date. The Kalends, the first of the month, the Nouns, the fifth or seventh of the month, and the Ides, which are the 13th of most months, and famously on the 15th in March, in May, July, and October. Here, for instance, is the month of October, the Kalends on October 1st, the Nouns on the 7th, and the Ides on the 15th. But what do the names of these reference days mean? Well, Kalends, sometimes spelled with a C, comes from the verb kallo kalare, also sometimes spelled with a C, which means to proclaim or call out. So on the Kalends, the order of the days was proclaimed or called out. We get the word calendar from Kalends, by the way. Ides possibly comes from the Etruscan verb iduo, meaning to divide. So the Ides divides the month in half. And the Nouns? Well, that comes from the Latin nonus, meaning ninth, since the Nouns is literally the ninth day before the Ides, counting inclusively, of course.